In this quick guide, we'll show you how to replace the cartridge in your stylish kitchen faucet step by step. Before removing the cartridge, make sure to close the shutoff valves to avoid water leaks. Locate and remove the small rubber cap beneath the faucet handle. Use an Allen key to unscrew the set screw. Pull the handle outward to remove it. Once the handle is removed, use pliers to carefully pull off the cartridge cover. Using angled needle nose pliers, unscrew the cartridge nut. Ensure the cartridge chamber is completely clean and free of debris. Insert the new cartridge, making sure to align the prongs with the cavity holes. Then reinstall the cartridge nut and tighten it again using the angled needle nose pliers. Place the cartridge cover back, pressing firmly to ensure it's securely in place. Position the handle back in place. Secure the handle with the Allen key. Finally, insert the handle cap back underneath the handle. Don't forget to open the shutoff valves to restore water to your faucet.